Well, hello everyone from Germany. I'm still here in Germany, but last week my son and his wife and I, we took a trip down south towards Königssee. And today I'm going to show you the boat trip that we took on Königssee. In English, it's called King's Lake. Well, here we are in the parking lot. And we parked our car and went towards the lake where the boats are. And here you can see there are hundreds of people here that want to take this fantastic boat trip. So here's a look at one of the boats that go on the lake. There is about 3 or 4 of them, I'm not quite sure anymore. But we had to wait for a whole hour before we could go on our boat ride. So there are a lot of shops here, and so we took the time and went through some of the shops and got some souvenirs. We are finally leaving the dock, and already the view towards the mountains are breathtaking. While we're going out on the lake, we can see the other boats coming back in. This boat ride has 2 stops, so we decided not to get out on the first stop. So we got out on the last stop, and that is as far as you can go. This boat trip is a round trip, so after we got out on the second stop, they told us that every 15 minutes a boat will take us back. Now, something very special happened on this boat trip before the first stop, and that is someone on board was a trumpet player, and he got out his trumpet and played a song, and we could hear the echo from the mountains. And if you really listen, you'll hear it too. When the trumpet player was playing his song and the echo came from the mountains, it was a special experience for me, and I hope you could hear it in this video. The boat just let out some people on the first stop, but we continued. But on this stop was also a beautiful church, as you see here. The view of the mountains is just magnificent, and the mountains are all around the lake. I don't know if you can see the waterfall here on the video, but this fresh water is coming from the top of the mountain. Wow, isn't this view just breathtaking? I'm really enjoying every minute of this boat trip. The mountains are so beautiful, and pretty soon we're going to be stopping at the last stop, and everyone is going to get out to enjoy a walk around. Well, everyone is getting out of the boat, and I'm certainly excited to explore this area. And maybe we can have some lunch somewhere. I'm pretty sure there is a restaurant around. Well, I just found the washrooms, and yeah, I'm ready to explore. There's this wooden gate that you hear squeaking that separates us from the cows, and everyone is opening the gate and walking through with the cows. The cows are just walking with us. Look at this. I have never in my life been so close to cows. This is a real experience for me. Going on this pathway, we found a restaurant. And look at this view. This is the restaurant. I am certainly going to have lunch here and enjoy this magnificent view. It is a really cool experience, I'm telling you, to sit here, eat, and look at the beautiful mountains. Not only did I enjoy the mountains, I also enjoyed the cows. They were right there at the restaurant. Look how close they are. And this one is really happy eating grass. If any one of you watching know what kind of cow this is, please leave a comment. After lunch, we went back on the boat, and we certainly are enjoying the view on the way back to the dock where we started off. If you can remember, this is one of the docks where the boat stops, and here you see a boat coming, and yeah, they're gonna let some people out and continue to the last stop, as we did also. Well, I hope you did enjoy this video, and the next time I'm going to take you to Austria in the city Salzburg, and that is where Mozart was born. So please join me in the next video, and I want to thank you all for watching. Bye for now.